Hello everyone, welcome to Cute Remorse Vlog! For today's episode, let us discuss all about the life cycle of a bird. Oh, by the way, I am Ryan J. Raz from BEd 1A. So, let's start. Have you ever wondered what feeling you can feel if you have the ability to fly in the vast sky? Is it good, fun, fulfilling, or interesting? Or a feeling that you are free? Well, there are a lot of birds across the world. There are between 50 billion and 43 billion birds here on our planet, the Earth, as well as 11,158 different kinds of birds. It's too many, right? That is why birds are too interesting to tackling about. Though there are a lot of them, however, they are one in common. It's their life cycle. There is a concern of many people from the past until now. The question is, who comes first? The egg or the chicken? Some say the chicken is first because the chicken is the one who laid the eggs. Meanwhile, many people say it's the egg because if there's no egg, the said chicken would not have existed if the chicken can hatch from the egg. It's confusing, right? Yes, it is. Okay, the first stage of a life cycle of the bird is egg. To clear things up, let's start with the little one, the egg. Everything starts with reproduction, as well in birds. The party will consist of male bird and female bird. After they mate, the female bird would lay eggs. Some birds lay one egg like albatrosses, unlike chicken. They can reproduce more than 10 eggs. After the eggs are laid, the mother will incubate the eggs for warmth. Then, have you ever done cracking an egg? The common part we see are the eggshell, egg white, and egg yolk. However, there is a cell or embryo that creates a chick inside the egg yolk. Also, there is an air sac that provides oxygen to the said chick. The egg white contains calcium for developing bones and other organs, while the egg yolk provides protein and food for the chick for when it grows enough parts like the head, back, and stomach. So the next stage is hatchling. When we say a hatchling, it is a bird that has just hatched and may be almost completely naked apart from some fine down. They are blind, can't move, and need for parental care such as feeding. The next stage is nestling. When we say nestling, it is a chick that are few days old and are covered in soft feathers. And remember, they can fly. The next stage is the fledglings. When we say a fledglings, it is the chicks that have developed flight feathers and wing muscles are known as fledglings. They will have started to explore outside the nest, but will still be under the care of their parents. So the next stage will be the juvenile. When we say a juvenile bird is at the awkward teenage stage of a being bird. Juvenile birds will have left the nest and will be fully independent. Next is the subadult. A subadult birds are young birds that are older than juvenile, but have still not developed adult plumage and are not sexually mature. And the last stage is the adult. Adult birds have reached sexual maturity and can reproduce. They will be fully mature, which may vary depending on the season of breeding. And today, there are almost 150 extinct bird species here on our planet due to human activity such as hunting birds for their uniqueness and rare species. As a youth, let us aid our animals' preservation to prevent the brink of extinction of their community. Again, I hope you have learned something for today's episode, and thank you and God bless. Bye-bye!